Hello, everybody. This is Ian, founder of I30 Media Corporation, author of the Lean Media book, blog, and video channel available from leanmedia.org. Today, I'll be talking about what a landing page is versus what a catalog page is using Shopify. Disclaimer, you're responsible for following relevant terms, conditions, and rules, and it's possible for you to lose money or have your account suspended if you don't follow these rules. Carefully evaluate risk before following any of what I'm going to be showing you. And also just keep in mind that what I will show you may look different depending on how you have Shopify set up when you're watching this video, etc. Okay, so I operate two Shopify stores, and this is the homepage of one of them. And the homepage is kind of like a catalog page. It basically shows everything that you have to offer. It lets people kind of come to a starting point, which is the front page. This is easygenie.org. Let's get rid of that little message there. And then you can decide what you want to look at. So if you want to look at, for instance, the PDFs, you go here. Unique gifts, you go here. And of course, I want people to buy things from this particular shop, but you have to kind of find what you're looking for first. And it's, in that sense, it's just like a catalog. The other type of page that many people have is actually called a landing page. And this is a little bit different. Here is a landing page for the same website. And you can see that the navigation looks the same. This little message up here about free shipping looks the same. But there's one big difference here when you come to this page. And one is that you can add stuff to the cart right away. And I guess that's kind of one of the big differences between catalog pages and landing pages. A catalog page is for browsing and maybe learning more about your company or the products you sell, whereas a landing page really is for buying things. And actually, when I set up advertising campaigns on Facebook in particular, I send people to landing pages because I want them, they've already seen something about the products that I sell in the advertisement. And I'm assuming if they're clicking through, they're going to be ready to buy. And I want to make it easy as possible for them to buy things. So I send them right here. There is some information about the company, but really the focus is on adding things to cart so people can buy things and then they can check out and get the product. The catalog page is something that I will send Google browsers to. So people that are searching for genealogy charts, for instance, they may come to this particular page and then they can click around to find out more about it. And some of the people that come here, they may not be looking to buy something right away. They just want to learn a little bit more about it. And if they do want to buy, they can drill down to find it. One mistake that some people make when they're setting up advertising campaigns, really focused advertising campaigns, they send people to the catalog page instead of sending them directly to the landing page. And you'll find that you will have better sales results, I think, if you send people to the landing page as opposed to the catalog page. Now, another question you may have is, well, how do you set up a landing page? Here's another store that I have. This is the landing page for the In 30 Minutes Cheat Sheet store. And you can see you can add something to the cart right away. I made this particular landing page using a tool called Pagefly. So Pagefly, this is a free app in the Shopify store, and you can use it to create a landing page. You create what's called a regular page, and then within that page, you can do things like you can move elements around. Let's get this out of here. You can see that I have a box here with the product, add to cart. I can add pictures here, and then I can go through and make changes, swap out images and whatnot as needed, and then you can publish it. This is a very simple landing page. It's a free app after all. I found it to be pretty effective. However, if you want to kind of go take things to the next level, you can use a tool called Shogun. This is a paid app. I don't believe they have a free plan, but I could be wrong about that. And let's take a look at the one of the landing pages that I created using Shogun. So this is my Easy Genie site. This is what I call the premium landing page, and you can see that I've been able to add different types of images and boxes for people to scroll through. It's a little bit more visually appealing. And actually, I used it. Shogun, they have some templates that you can use. So I basically took one of the templates and then I swapped things out to make them effective for my particular store. For more information on how to get the most out of Shopify and other types of tools, check out my Lean Media channel. Subscribe. You can subscribe to this video channel, or you can go to leanmedia.org, click on video, come to this page. You can see my YouTube channel there. I also have a blog where I have lots of articles about using Shopify, Amazon, and other types of selling programs online. This is Ian Lamont signing off. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it or follow me on YouTube, and you can see more of my videos and blog posts on leanmedia.org. Thank you so much for watching.